Hi, it's Natasha from Cricut, and I'm getting married. So today I thought I would walk you through how to make a bridesmaid proposal box. I'm getting ready to ask my friends to be my bridesmaids, and I really wanted to give them something that was personalized, but also let them know how much I appreciate their friendship. So today I'm going to walk you through all of the things that I'm going to personalize and include in that bridesmaid proposal box. Today we're going to be using our Cricut Explore 3 cutting machine along with my connected device where I already have my project designed, as well as Cricut value vinyl and transfer tape, which is a great way to save some money. If you are used to making a lot, you can buy this material in bulk and save some money there. I also have all the little things, the cute things that I'm putting inside of the bridesmaid proposal box. So just a bath bomb, a cute claw clip that we'll personalize, as well as lip gloss, sunnies, and an emergency kit, which will be really fun for the bridesmaids to get. And then lastly, I'll just use some accessories here that will help me put my project all together. So let's get making. Let's get started in Design Space. I already have my project ready to go and everything looks right there. So I'm going to start prepping my mat. So there's a clear plastic covering on top. We're just going to take that off and put my value vinyl on top of this mat here. My machine is blinking and ready to go. So I'm going to insert my mat. Okay, it is all done cutting now, so I'm going to unload my mat and take the vinyl off of the mat by just flipping it around and peeling the mat away from the material so I don't curl it. Now I'm just going to use my trimming tool to cut down where there is extra material so I can use that for another project. And now I can start weeding the design, which means just taking away the excess part of the material so that I don't want transferred onto my project away. So I just kind of take my weeding tool here and peel away the corner. And you can see as I peel this excess away, I'm left with my design here. And I'm just kind of wiggling it. And then I can use my weeding tool here, the sharp edge where I need to pick up places that aren't getting up by itself. Okay, now that I weeded out everything that I don't want transferred onto my goodies, you can see all of my designs here are ready to go, and I'm going to use my value transfer tape now to transfer that onto my little goodies. Okay, now that I have all of my blanks here that I'm ready to put my designs on, now I'm going to start with the lip gloss. So the save the date has the words save the date and the date of the wedding. So I'm just cutting down that design for this. And then I will use the transfer tape, the value transfer tape, and cut vinyl to size of the design. Then I'm kind of rolling back the vinyl or the transfer tape so that I can grab the transfer tape, put it on top of the design, and then I'll use my little scraper tool here and make sure that the design adheres to the transfer tape. So I will rub back and forth, front and back of this design, so that when I peel away the value backer, I have my design ready to go and put on this. So cute. Okay, so I already did my hand soap or my bath bomb in pink, and then I have this lip gloss with the save the date in white. Next, let's do the hair clip, and for this, we are gonna do her name, Isabella. I love that I don't have to individually put all of the letters down. The transfer tape just helps me transfer it all at once. Look how cute that is. For the sunglasses, I thought it would be cute, and you can also reuse this transfer tape, it's still sticky. So I'm gonna reuse this piece that I just used for her name for the word bridesmaid. And this is gonna go on the sunglasses. Look how cute that is. They'll be at the beach, they'll be like, I'm a bridesmaid. It's really cute, I love it. I hope they do too. Okay, and then last but not least, we are going to do the sewing kit, which I'm calling kind of like the bridesmaid survival kit. If the bride ever needs anything, then this will be perfect for them to have on hand, and it's nice and small. So cute. Okay, so now that I have all of my goodies labeled and ready to go, I am ready to put it in this cute heart-shaped box that I also made. I just stuffed it with some tissues and we're ready to go. I love this. It's super affordable, super easy to do, and you should try it out.